So a quick one here. This tutorial, I'm going to show you the difference between Kindle Countdown deals, which is called KDC, and free book promotion. Yes. One thing you should know about this is there are all ways of boosting your visibility or trying to make your book gain visibility on the Amazon search page in this place, because the Amazon search page here, when someone search for your books, people want to search either by free stuff. You can see here we have last 90 days new release in the last 90 days. We have alphabetical order, we have by author, we have by book language, we have by condition availability. Let me check if there's anyone like free. All right, you can see this one called Kindle Unlimited. There's still this one there. So we have I'm just trying to see other ones if there's all discount. So at all discount, okay, all discount, that is when your book will come, because if it come now, you will see this is the exact price. The list of this was $12 but currently is being sold at $974. So that is one thing about the Kindle Countdown deals. So how do you put your book there and which one is best? That is what I'll be showing you in this tutorial. Now, if you've made your book for the first time, it's not advisable you start with Kindle Countdown deals. No, KCD is not beautiful to start with that. You can see. So now, Kindle Countdown deals allows author to run limited time discount only for Kindle ebooks. So it means not on your paperback, because there is no way you can run free promotion on paperback. It's just ebooks. But on these two place on Amazon.com, which is the general, and the UK. Yes. So customer will see the regular price and promotion price, just like as you can see in this place. From here, you can see all these are 24 now at this one. They are running it for a limited time, as you can see. So that is one thing about the Kindle. So if we read more now, there's time-based promotion showing the time remaining for the promotion to increase excitement for a price discount. Then eligibility requirement. This is very, very important. But your book must be eligible for it to run the KCD, which is the Kindle Countdown deals. So you can only add KCD for Kindle ebooks listing on Amazon and Amazon.co.the UK marketplace. Now, digital list price for eligible titles for KDC should fall within. So then anytime your book is lesser than $2, it's not going to be qualified, and when it's higher than $24, it's not going to qualify for KDC. Then if you move on straight as value added time VAT, your book must be in this kind of pounds. It must not be lesser than 1.99 pounds and must not be greater than 15.99 pounds as well. So maximum decrease in digital list price. This is for the digital price. So now see another one. The duration for a KDC is maximum of 7 days. That is one thing. So 7 days makes up a week, and minimum duration is 1 hour. What it means is, if you put your book on KCD, you cannot run it for less than an hour. It must be from 1 hour. That's the minimum. Then the maximum is 7 days. So 1 week you'll be able to do this. Then duration you choose will run as single promotion. Then all this and all this. So add a KCD. So to do that, I'll show you that in one of the book. So that's all about the KCD. Yes. So you already know about the 35%, 70%. Some people do ask question, which one should I choose? Should I choose 35 or 70? Everyone knows what's good. So I advise you always go for 70 so that you get 70% while the other people take 35%. Then if you remove all your tax from Amazon, it means everything belongs to you. That is one beautiful thing about that. So now you know this. Now let's go straight to free promotion. Yes, free promotion is very, very beautiful. Now free promotion books, what it does for you is, if your book, you are just a newbie to Amazon, you just created a book, after 5 days, don't run promotion on your book. Just wait for it after 5 days, because Amazon will tell you your book is going to be available within 3 to 5 days. So that first week, don't run any free promotion for your book. First thing you want to try is you go to your marketing tab, you start your free promotion. Free promotion runs for within, let's read. So when you schedule, you can go to marketing tab, which we do. Can I schedule my free promotion book? You have option to run your free for 5 days. So KCD, which is Kindle Countdown deals, run for 7 days, but for free book promotion, it runs for 5 days. So it means anyone will be able to buy your book all for free, but not your paperback. But what they will take there is just your ebooks. So get 1 day at a time. So you can decide to run just 1 day, wait for the next month, run 1 day, wait for another month, run 1 day. That is the beauty of this. So when you start, you can just run for a day and stop. So all this, you can confirm this, you can cancel the free book promotion, you see all this and all this. So that is one beautiful thing. So if I want to summarize before we go to the marketing board, I said that KCD is good when your book has already started making sale. Yes, but not all books are qualified for KCD, which is the Kindle Countdown deals. But for pre-promotion, all books are qualified for free promotion. Yes, all books are qualified for free promotion. So you can run free promotion. Now let's go straight to that and just run one book on free promotion. So we'll click on marketing from here in your dashboard, whether you're using a smartphone or you're using anything related to phone. So from here, we have to enroll your book in an ebook in KDP Select. Yes. So we have all this. Now you can run a price promotion. Now you see the one we talk about, KCD and free promotion. So if you want to create Kindle Countdown deals, we're going to click on it. Then we're going to pick one of these book here. Let's say this is what I want to run. Then I'm going to click. All right. It means we can even run. This one is qualified. Let's see what they say. This book is currently ineligible because a free promotion has already been scheduled in the KDP Select enrollment this. So there's no way I can run for this because it's already a free promotion. But this is this. So any book on free promotion cannot do countdown deal. So if you want to do that, we're going to just click on this. Then we'll go to let's see. We're going to continue and see. So I just clicked on that first one. Then we're going to hit on continue. Okay. So let me go to continue. Then let's just wait and see what happens. So from here we have, you can decide to start. So where do you want to run? Which marketplace do you want to run that? Do you want to run it on Amazon.com or UK? You might just use the general one because all searches made on the Amazon is Amazon.com. This is where everybody comes to make searches. So I advise you leave that there. Then choose when the promotion will start and end. You can choose your date from here and say I want it to run, and you can choose within. So I advise you choose. If you want to run the first 3 days, you can run. I said something that it must be 7 days. No, it means you can run first 3 days, wait and see how it goes and all this. So when you are good to go, you can just hit on continue. So let's just pick one year and let me see 24 from now. Then let it end 25, just 1 day. Let's hit on continue and see. Okay, so now this is what it's going to be now. So review this number of price increments. Let's see what is here. One, starting price, ending price. This is the original price. So over here now we have number of price increments. We're going to leave what's this. Let's see what's this. This determines the number of price points for your promotions before returning to the original. So let's just try C2 and see what happens. So we're going to click on 2 and see. So okay, nothing really changed. So starting price, this will be the first promotional list price for your Kindle. So now we're going to come here now. We're going to pick this and I'm going to hit. I want the starting price to start from 119 instead of selling at this. So let's see whether if we make it 3. Okay, we just have 1 and 2 number of starting price. So now let's leave it at 119 because it seems this is just 2. So you want it. Okay, yes, it's all our fault. I would have picked 3 so that we'll have options to pick between 3 years. So in case you are doing yours, if there's 1, 2, 3, pick the highest one so that you have the chance to scale up. So we're going to leave at 119. Then you hit on continue. Then we'll move down. So we have the first one. For 12 hours is going to be 119. Then at the next hours is going to add another 26%. There's going to be 2 days. So that is the essence of this. So now you understand how this works. You can now add promotion. I believe you now know how this really works. So let me just recap. So you choose the marketplace. You choose when the promotion will start and when it will end. You choose your calendar. Then you decide to make it from 1 to 2. If you want to make it 1, it means you just leave it at 1 so that it runs within that price. You get. So from here you can pick within and say 2.99 and you can say okay. But when you pick 2 here, okay, this is just 1. You already understand what I'm trying to explain, right? That's good. So now you can hit on continue and you are good to go. So when you hit on continue, just move on and add the promotion. But I'm going to cancel this because I'm not doing that for these books. I'm going to leave it for now until it gains visibility. So you currently enrolled your book for this. So okay, this is for KDP Select. I've enrolled my book for KDP Select. So anybody can read my book and I get some money at it. So at the free book promotion, let's see how it works. Let's create a new free book promotion. So you're going to choose your starting date. This is what I want to promote. For example, I'm going to pick one of these dates and say run for straight up 2 days. You just want it to run for just 1 day or 2 days. Then you moved on and you go it on save change and you are good to go. So it means this is going to run for 3. Then you have another chance to run this for the remaining 2 days. So 3 days for this, you wait and see how it goes. then you pick the next 2 days. So that is the difference between the free book promotion and KCD, which is Kindle Countdown deals. I believe this was helpful, and you want to give me a thumb up, which is a like, and you want to drop your best comment and share with your friends as well. I talk on KDP and other related stuff on how to make money, so I advise you subscribe to my channel so that we can grow together. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.